literally sitting on the toilet. You were opening the door.
I don't care.
Yes, I'm sorry about that.
You can keep saying you're sorry, but I care about
I got
all
it.
these cats.
Yes, I got it. Yes.
Okay, so it'll be on you, and I see you're recording.
That's fine.
Right
You're not
now.
allowed to do that. Did you put your hands on me? She just put her hands on me.
She did
yes,
not.
she did. She put her hands on me. She tried to grab my phone. No, but yes, but she put her hands on me. I have a lawyer. I am a lawyer.
Well, that's
I am a lawyer.
Yes.
Yes, I'm sorry, but you do not put your hands on me. You do not put your hands on me. You do not put your hands on me. I have 25,000 followers. I have 25,000 followers that are going to watch this. Yes, I know. That's my bad. Yes, you did. You pulled it right over my chest. Yes, I have it on video. I was recording. So do you want me to release this, or you want to say sorry to me right now? Say sorry. Do not touch me. You do not get to touch a passenger. And I was in the restroom. You were opening the door. No. I'm actually going to call the police when I get back to the ground on you. Yes, you do not put your hands on a passenger. You do not put your hands on a passenger. You reached over me. You tried to grab my phone. You assaulted me. She assaulted me. This flight attendant assaulted me, everybody. This flight attendant assaulted me. She put her hands on me. It doesn't give you the right to put your hands on me. It doesn't. You can't tell me not to record.
What a situation. This guy right here is very entitled. Allegedly, he was caught vaping in the plane restroom, and we all know you're not allowed to do that. I don't know if she was trying to wish for the phone or whatever, but I don't even think he's supposed to be recording the flight crew. But look like he's trying to flip the blame on her, and then he's talking about I have a lawyer. I am a lawyer. Can you record flight attendants? This wasn't my mind. Let me see if I find it. Yeah, real quick. You cannot take photo or video of other passenger or flight attendants without their consent, according to the most airline policies and the general respect for personal privacy. Even though there's no specific federal law prohibiting it in the U.S., while there is no federal law in the U.S. that prohibits taking pictures or videos on the plane, airlines have their own rules, and flight crew can enforce them by removing passenger from the flight. It's important to be respectful of flight attendants' privacy and understand that they are employees, not celebrities. So look like that's where he was wrong again, filming. Now I understand he could have put the camera on him and left it on him if he felt he wanted to prove some type of incident or whatever. But now what you see is a spoiled, entitled influencer. I don't know, man, something about being an influencer get to your head and it just make you feel invisible, I guess, where you are above the law, where nobody can touch you. I don't know if there's a follow-up. Let me see. Guy caught vaping Man, that was just 7 hours ago, so I don't know. A macro influencer got caught vaping and playing. Oh, here I found something. Is that it? Only took one puff. Passenger caught vaping in the bathroom on San Francisco bound flight. Let's see if we can find something. Alright, brief. Peter Guion claimed he only took one puff of his vape in the bathroom of American airline flight before a flight attendant barged in. Guion recorded the fourth encounter between him and the flight attendants in the SF bound flight. According to the FAA, smoking on the aircraft in the U.S. is a federal offense. An American airline passenger was caught vaping in the bathroom of a San Francisco bound flight, then accused flight attendant of assault after he got busted. What we know. I told her I was using the bathroom and I apologized for vaping, and I was recording. At the start of the nearly 2 minutes video, Guion is her telling the flight attendant that he was sitting on the toilet when she opened the door. And the flight attendant appeared to be okay. Y'all talking about this is like a transcript. I'm trying to see if there was like any follow up. A customer on a American airline flight 2860 with service from Phoenix to San Francisco was removed from the aircraft upon arrival at San Francisco due to disrupt behavior. We thank our customers for their patience and apologize for any inconvenience. So that's all happened. Nothing else happened. They just remove them. Yeah, I don't think anything has happened. Peter New Injuin. Let me see if I can find something. Peter Internet personality. 1 million followers. Is that the same guy? Wait, what happened to my video capture? No. Video. Yeah, is that let me see, is that the same guy? Yeah, I don't know if that's the same. Is that the same guy? I have 25,000 followers. I don't think that's the same Peter though. Cause this is got like 1.2 million. I'm trying to see if anybody say anything about the airplane. Yo, was that showing the airplane? No, that I don't think that's the same dude. Alright. I don't know. Well, you guys let me know what you think about that situation.